Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, power windows. Come take a test drive today.